Greetings, fellow riders. Now, I am using things that I learned at Yamaha Champions Riding School right here on the street, just like I use it on the track. So, braking earlier, lighter, looking for that apex, keeping it extra wide, and then bringing it in with the rear brake at the end on that tighter turn. Seeing my exit point, throttling up, looking for my entry point. Light front brake, a little bit heavier front brake, loosening up, front brake off, and throttling up. Using the front brake not just as an on-off switch, but as a precise variable of control that helps you get the direction that you want. It's not just for slowing down, it's for deciding where you want to be in a turn. The phrase radius equals miles per hour, well, that's controlled by your throttle and your brakes. Get in, looking for that exit point, maintenance throttle, exit point. Go, drop a gear. Using the front brake, trail braking really smooths out your riding, keeps it predictable. Helps you plant that front tire in the turn, shorten up that wheelbase right here, bring it in tight. There's my exit point, go. Right. Literally every turn I go into, I used to say it out loud. Now I do it subconsciously because, you practice. But it's, entry point, apex where you want, looking for that exit point. Every single turn is just a sequence of entry point, looking where you want to apex, see your exit point and throttle on. And, oh, whoa, what do you know? Be careful, because the view can be distracting here on the Costa Brava of Spain. But I wouldn't be able to ride roads like this and be as good a tour guide if it were not for the great instruction I received at Yamaha Champions Riding School. I've learned from other schools as well. I learned some good stuff from California Superbike School. I've learned some great things from Racing School Europe and Troy Corser. Gotten some great personal tips from Scott Russell. Oh, what an incredible guy. I have no natural talent at all. And so any riding ability I have, and you can see I'm not blazingly fast, but I am safe, I'm smooth, I'm consistent. Over the years, constant practice, I have made up for my lack of talent with practiced skills. I have invested in myself and my riding to make myself a safer and, well, you know what, happier rider. I don't have near as many moments as I used to, because I have much greater control of the bike, and I owe that to learning from experts and then practicing. Every time I get on the bike, I am working on something.